We're in West Linn High School at the robotics team's all-girls STEM camp, Changing the System, where robotics students will come and teach middle school girls about STEM from a variety of fields. So we have lessons on business, manufacturing, basic CADing, chemistry. I think they're making ice cream, a variety of topics. Over the course of history, I guess we've struggled to get into the workforce in general, specifically in STEM fields, which were generally male-dominated. So our goal here is to empower young women, specifically middle schoolers, to pursue their passions in those fields and develop their interests so they have a chance to really explore what they'd like to do and have viable pathways to follow those interests in the future once they join high school. I would love for any of these girls to come and join the robotics team, where we pursue manufacturing, hardware, software, and business. It's a really great STEM pathway for anyone who's interested in any of the fields, but they can also pursue any of their interests in a variety of CTE STEM classes here at the high school. So I hope that by participating in this camp, they're able to find out more about their interests and that they can then develop throughout the rest of their life.